University Games started with an unforgettable opening ceremony, a tremendous 4-hour show in the new Kazan arena. The stadium that will host the Swimming World Championships in 2015 and the FIFA World Cup in 2018. 45,000 spectators enjoyed a show recalling Russian history in a combination of dazzling light, music, dance, and fireworks. In the athletes' parade, China had a strong delegation of 300 people. All the great sports nations were represented: France, Germany, Italy. The Universiade is the biggest sporting event held in Russia since the Moscow Olympics in 1980, with more than 10,000 athletes from universities in 162 countries. Russia provided the biggest team with 663 members.
I now invite the President of the Russian Federation, Mr. Vladimir Putin, to open the games. Mr. President.
27-ю Всемирную летнюю универсиаду объявляю открытой.
So President Putin declaring the 27th Summer Universiade opened. It's the first ever to be preceded by a torch relay, by the way. The torch lit in June of 2012 at the Paris Sorbonne and traveling around the world before lighting the Universiade cauldron in Kazan.